Yeah. Hey, Fritzy. Yeah. It's snowing out. You want to go out and see the snow? Oh!
I joined ISIS today to see if I believe. My God says I am okay. To me, I just don't be. What have I become? I poop on the sheets. I want to blow up myself. In the name of baby. I pooped on the bed today. Cause I couldn't keep it in. My mom focuses on the sheets. Cause she has to go back to sleep. What have I become?
What? Let's go outside, Mr. Man.
Play this in the background.
Where are you going? Let's go outside. It's snowing. It's snowing outside, Doug. It's snowing outside, Mr. Man.
Oh, is it the white rain outside?
Doug. It's wet out here, Doug. You're a little Oreo. Someone's playing the Rocky theme song. You're all white. You're all wet and white. You're all wet and white. It's snowing. You wanna go inside? You wanna go play? You wanna go play? Wanna go play? Are you that cold, little Affy? Okay.
I joined ISIS today to see if they like BB. It's BB, ha ha ha, BB. Where are your doggone? Let's go to church. Take me to church. I get my nose at the fire hydrant.
The hell is this ice?
Is that what it is? No, it's water.
It will turn slush. By the time we get back from the end of this walk, it'll be ice.
What?
It'll be ice by the end of this walk.
Dude, he's probably so cold right now. He's probably so cold, his paws are probably freezing.
He's a dog. He's got fur.
Yeah, but his paws don't. His little sweater's not covering shit. I know what I'm gonna do. Let's walk down here. I'm gonna slide down here. Come on, let's go.
Alright, doggo, dog. Happy Christmas, everybody! It's a white Christmas.
It's not Christmas.
It's the first day of Christmas. 2015.
Stay here, stay here. This part is
What are you doing, Jose?
I mean, I'm told.
Urban exploration. Clark, urban exploration. Pretty.
Hey, little Oreo. Hey, buddy.
Fritz, Clark. Stop. See you down the road. Fritz has a cool ISIS sweater.
What? Wait, did you feel me knocking on their door?
Oh no, I just kind of turned
I was
around.
gonna say.
It's really dark.
It's fucking dumb.
Day 11. We're here in the Ihole summit. The summit of Ihole. I don't feel my ears and I see a man in the window playing World of Warcraft. You see that?
No.
Look in the window. Look. What? What? Don't know. Dude, my ears are freezing. It's white Fritz mist. Run, little fat bear, run. Run into the evening sun. Stop, don't pee on there. Pee on my shrub. I give you. I feel like filming you.
Look at all these Presbyterians.
Okay, it's cold, buddy. Come on.
No.
Come on.
I must do this for the dogs. I hiked this mountain trail for the dogs. I traverse across the tundra for Jesus.
Camera. I wish I had like an iPhone, you know?
Yeah.
Like a good camera. I wish I was privileged.
Privilege.
Alright, fill in.
Hold on. I want to get this view. Stop. Say that. Alright, good. Almost good.
I need a good camera to do this. In the future, I want to buy a camera. That's good. How good's the iPhone quality? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a silent video. Stop talking, alright? No
Alright.
talking. Don't get in my shot. I'm done.
Batteries left, so I should be done too. soon.
Yeah. And that shit. Oh, I want to film that gate.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Crazy, come on. You know what my favorite thing about the snow is?
I joined ISIS today to see if I believe. My God says I am okay. To me, I just don't BB. What have I become? I poop on the sheets. I want to blow up myself in the name of BB. I pooped on the bed today. Cause I couldn't keep it in. My mom focuses on the sheets. Cause she has to go back to sleep. What have I become?
What?
I joined ISIS today to see if they like BB.